Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Raman. I am an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science at Toronto Metropolitan University. Okay. It's easier to present at conferences. I'm a computer scientist, a learning scientist, a knowledge builder, a mom, but most of all, I'm someone who is a researcher at heart and constantly thinking about how we can use care-centered pedagogies to make our student experiences better. Care-centered computational innovations can be broadly thought of in sitting in one of these four spaces: either care for the other, care for the self, care for the community, or care for the world. So we build tools and technologies that inform student learning in each of these spaces. I'm really fortunate to work with many graduate students and undergraduate students in my lab here called the Circle Lab. The Circle Lab is the Computational Innovations and Research in Care-Centered Learning and Education Lab. Broadly, our work is situated at the intersection of computer science and learning. Some of our projects include collaborative learning software such as SCORE, digital learning simulations such as rehearsals, and the one that I'm most excited about recently, Shonk. Shonk is the first of its kind embodied computing music robot that is situated in culture and in promoting student identity in computer science. Shonk is my student Harjot Singh's master's thesis project, and in his research, he has found that engaging with Shonk not only improves students' learning of music and the beats, but also gets them interested in computer science and computing education. I bring in a lot of what we find in our research on care-centered learning into my teaching, in my practice. One of the ways that we do it is by actually building a learning community wherein students engage in discussions with each other and support each other and build strong relationships, compared to traditional classrooms wherein it's more lecture style, where the teacher is at the center. In my classrooms, I'm constantly engaging with the students, walking around, asking them questions, having in-class activities, having them participate in discussions with each other, engage in debates, really actively learning and listening. I have to say my favorite part about working at TMU is the diverse student body. I love working with my students, interacting with them, going to classrooms, doing research with them. I just love it all. But I also have to pause here and appreciate all the support I get, not just from my department, but from the faculty and the university to do the kinds of work I do. Through this work, I really hope we can make the world a more caring place to the tools and technologies we build, but also make computer science a richer space by bringing in diverse voices and making it more equitable for the generations to come.